India, the vibrant nucleus of the global economy, full of boundless potential and promise. India's economic rise is a story of phenomenal growth and increasing global influence. Surging past major economies, India now going to be the world's third largest economy and is set to exceed the $4 trillion mark and is expected to soar $10 trillion by 2032. This is fueled by a GDP growth rate that consistently outpaces many developed nations. At the heart of India's success story lies its youthful and skilled workforce and the strong and visionary leadership in the center that is ready to push the nation to unprecedented heights.
पूरी दुनिया की नजर आज भारत पर है। दुनिया भर के इन्वेस्टर्स यहां आने के लिए लालायित है। मैं स्टार्टअप वालों को, टेक्नीशियंस को, उद्यमियों को आग्रह करता हूं कि हम इन प्लास्टिक के रिसाइकल के लिए क्या करें। जैसे हाईवेज बनाने के लिए प्लास्टिक का उपयोग हो रहा है, ऐसी बहुत सी विधाएं हो सकती हैं।
I am quite sure that the world today is looking towards India to be a part of resilient supply chains, and plastic is one sector where, without any doubt, India has the requisite skill sets, the requisite capabilities.
With a conducive investment climate and robust infrastructure, India has emerged as a preferred destination for investment in the plastics industry. The plastics industry embraces technological advancements, focusing on efficiency, innovation, and eco-friendly alternatives. From automotive to healthcare, construction to consumer goods, the demand for plastic products is skyrocketing. The Indian plastics industry is projected to expand from $42 billion to a staggering $120 billion by 2026. Exports are expected to increase to $25 billion by the year 2027, reflecting the global embrace of Indian ingenuity. At the heart of this growth story lies PLASTINDIA, the world's largest international plastics exhibition, a triennial conglomeration of innovation and progress in the Indian plastics industry, where industry leaders converge to unlock the next wave of possibilities. PLASTINDIA Foundation is the apex body of major associations, organizations and institutions connected with plastics, with the common goal of development of the plastic sector for the country's progress. Dedicated to promoting India's plastics industry, the PLASTINDIA Foundation has been organizing PLASTINDIA since 1990. The event has seen 11 successful editions, solidifying its position as a top global plastics exhibition. PLASTINDIA 2023 created history with unprecedented attendance and visionary discussions by exceeding all expectations and setting new benchmarks for international participation and engagement. A record-breaking 600,000 visitors from more than 79 countries thronged the venue, witnessing the prowess of the Indian plastics industry. With over 5,000 plus reverse buyer-seller meetings facilitating international trade and cooperation. The resounding success of the 2023 edition has paved the way for an even more remarkable and impactful PLASTINDIA 2026. We are proud to unveil our brand new theme for PLASTINDIA 2026, the 12th International Plastics Exhibition, Conference and Convention. PLASTINDIA 2026, Bharat Next, at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi, India, from 5th to 10th February 2026. Bharat Next is not just a theme, but a promise of a brighter, more innovative tomorrow for the nation. This renowned venue provides the perfect backdrop for an event of this magnitude. Spread over 540,000 square meters, the event will feature 20 halls over 6 days, expecting over 600,000 visitors and 2,000 exhibitors, including 500 overseas exhibitors. Plast India 2026 will focus on innovation, sustainability and growth, representing our commitment to pioneering advancements, driving economic growth and fostering sustainable practices that resonate worldwide. Join us in this transformative journey as we embrace Bharat Next and lead the world towards a brighter, more innovative tomorrow. Come and be a part of the Bharat Next story at Plast India 2026.